Welcome back to the channel, folks. I hope you're all having an amazing day. Today, we're diving into a game changer in the world of digital art and video, Adobe Firefly. Imagine being able to create stunning images and videos just by typing in a few words. Sounds cool, right? Trust me, you're going to want to stick around for this. Adobe Firefly is a series of generative AI models that let you generate images, vectors, and even video content seamlessly. Whether you're a designer, a photographer, or just someone looking to dabble in creativity, this tool is designed to make your life easier and more fun. It's like having your very own creative assistant right in your browser. One of the standout features of Firefly is its text-to-image capability. You simply describe what you want, and voila, the AI generates an image. For example, if you type a sunset over a futuristic city, you get a breathtaking image that you can use in your projects. It's as easy as that. But wait, there's more. The Firefly vector model allows you to create editable vector graphics from your text prompts. Imagine needing icons or patterns in seconds. Just type in your ideas, and it organizes everything in layers for easier editing. You could say goodbye to tedious vector drawing. Adobe Firefly not only stands out for its individual functionality, but also for how it integrates into other Adobe products like Photoshop and Illustrator. Imagine you're working on a team project, and you need to whip up a concept image during a brainstorming session. Firefly makes it a breeze to create and share your ideas on the fly. And let's not forget about videos. Adobe recently rolled out the Firefly video model, currently in beta. This feature lets you generate extra seconds of video content for your projects, so you can fill in those gaps in your timeline without breaking a sweat. It's a massive time saver for video editors. Now, you might be wondering, how does Firefly stack up against its competitors like Midjourney or DALL-E? Well, Adobe claims that Firefly was trained exclusively on licensed images from Adobe stock and public domain content, making it a safer option for commercial use. This means fewer headaches over copyright issues, a real win for creators. Speaking of safety, Adobe has taken significant steps toward ethical AI. Contributors to Adobe stock are compensated for their work, and they can opt out of having their images used to train Firefly. This puts control back into the hands of artists, an important factor in today's creative landscape. Diving into Firefly is super straightforward. You can access it right from your browser at firefly.adobe.com. Once you sign up for an Adobe account, you can choose between a free plan, which gives you 25 generative credits, and a premium plan for just $4.99 a month that gives you 100 credits. Creativity should be accessible to everyone, and Adobe Firefly embodies that spirit. Whether you're a seasoned professional or someone just starting, this tool opens the doors to endless creative possibilities. One of my goals with this channel is to build a community where we can share our creative journeys and support each other. I appreciate your feedback and ideas. If you have thoughts on improving my videos or topics to cover next, drop them in the comments. Your voice matters here. As we wrap up, I encourage you to explore Adobe Firefly. Dive in, experiment, and let your creativity soar. The world of AI-generated art is still young, and your contributions could shape its future. Let's embrace this technology together. Thank you for spending some time with me today. If you found this video informative, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more insights into the ever-evolving world of AI technology. Keep creating, keep exploring, and I'll see you in the next video. Looking ahead, Adobe has plans for incorporating 3D tools into Firefly, which could revolutionize how we think about generative art. They're working on exciting projects like Project Turntable, which merges the worlds of 2D and 3D seamlessly. The future is bright, friends. When thinking about how to use Firefly in your creative projects, consider the possibilities. Whether you're designing marketing materials or creating content for social media, this tool can elevate your work and make the creative process faster and more enjoyable. Creativity thrives on collaboration, and with Firefly's integration into the Adobe ecosystem, sharing your AI-generated creations with your team is seamless. It really creates a dynamic workspace where everyone can contribute their ideas freely. With Adobe Firefly, inspiration is just a text prompt away. Whether you're looking for unique background art or specific design assets, you can generate something that fits your vision perfectly. Your imagination is the only limit. Once you've created something amazing with Firefly, don't just keep it to yourself. Share it on social media and showcase your work to inspire others. The creative community thrives on sharing and learning from each other. After all, if you're feeling unsure about diving into generative art, remember, every artist started somewhere. Find your community, whether it's online or locally, and don't hesitate to ask for help. We're all in this together, and supporting one another is what it's all about. Consider joining workshops or online classes focused on AI and creative tools. There's so much to learn, and being part of a supportive learning environment can make all the difference in your creative journey. Let's grow together.